all the fragrance of the sea. In an iconic dish of Italian cuisine, Flavia Diamante introduces us to her recipe for spaghetti with clams. Only a few ingredients needed, obviously pasta, and of course the main stars, the king of clams, vongole veraci clams. Look how beautiful these are. These particular ones are giant. Give them a quick rinse, don't soak them, it's unnecessary. They all look healthy. We discard the few that are broken or open, like these. Speaking of clams, it's time to cook them. Let's prepare the aromatics. Parsley with the stems, we chop it coarsely, and 2 cloves of garlic, we crush and peel them. Once the oil is hot, in goes garlic, parsley. Let's go! Clams! Flavia gives them a quick toss and half a glass of Vermentino wine. This Vermentino is potent, a good 28 proof, and it shows. Alright, cover the pan and let the clams open. Medium-high heat. 1 minute. Don't overcook them or you'll turn a delicacy into chewing gum. Look, they're almost all open. Let's see if the pasta water is boiling. Almost there. Now Flavia is filtering all the broth. Use the finest mesh you have, so that sand and broken shell bits don't end up in your guests' dishes. Now Flavia sets aside some clams for decoration. Look how big they are. They look like mini oysters. Those clams that remain closed, we discard. We separate the clams from their shells. We sieve the rest of the tasty broth. Here we are, clams separated. A bit of broth on top to keep them from drying out, and they will bask in their broth while we continue. Flavia gives broth also to those we set aside for decoration. And now it's time to plunge the spaghetti into their boiling sea. Salt, just a little, less than usual, because our clam broth is salty. While the pasta cooks, let's make a little sauté. Garlic, parsley, the oil is hot, in go garlic and chili pepper. A handful of parsley, and finally the pasta, 3/4 cooked from the pot. With 2 ladles of pasta cooking water, the clam broth, and we finish cooking in the broth to create a creamy clam sauce that will hug our spaghetti. The same technique we showed you in our video on how to cook a creamy aglio e olio spaghetti. If you haven't seen it, do so and try it at home. It's all about technique. See that beautiful emulsion? In go our clams. A quick mix and onto the plate. We plate and savor this simple quick dish that encapsulates all the fragrance of the sea. Look at that crema! In summer or winter, spaghetti with clam sauce is an ever-present must. A classic icon of the Mediterranean diet, Italian cuisine and fine dining. And don't forget to hit like for Flavia, who is about to eat this spaghetti for you. And subscribe to the channel that always makes you hungry and teaches you how to satisfy it in the best way possible. Buon appetito!